What if you have a full catalog of 200 plus SKUs? In this case, how you could also set up auto campaigns is having a very low bid and creating these catch-all campaigns, which basically means that with a very low bid, you would add all the SKUs and see which one would perform better. Keep in mind, we are still talking about low cost and effective auto campaigns. In this scenario, you're going to double and triple check the product's performance. Each product that you added within that campaign, how does it perform? If you have clear proof and evidence that out of the 200 products that you added within the campaign, 2 of them are consuming most of the budget, the rest don't get impressions, 1 of them is highly successful. By highly successful, I mean it has at least 5 to 10 orders, and then the rest, they're just consuming budget, but they are not converting. The way how we're going to prioritize in order to make this more effective, we're going to pause whatever proved already inefficient from spend went through, no sales. That is something that it's clear for you that it's not happening anymore, the campaign. But if spend went through, sales happened, ACOS was high, then you might be thinking, okay, let's give it just more 1-2 shots to see how low can I bring down the bid in order to make that sale possible at my break-even ACOS. That is the way we would structure and make sure that your auto campaigns are kept low cost and effective.